Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, guys, because Bitcoin will indicate what the market is doing. And let's see, right, what is Bitcoin doing here, guys. But before I go into that, let's just take a look at the total market cap here. We're on the daily, guys, and I zoom out, right, all the way basically to 2014 here. What we can see is that the last couple days we've had the most volume ever. Okay, that is that's something to note, of course. The volume is higher now. Okay, the complete volume in the crypto market is higher than it was before. So that's awesome to see. So if we talk about Bitcoin here, guys, why did it stop here, right? Well, that is if we take our Fibonacci tool, guys, let's take this one. Use the magnet tool here, and I take this as my high, right? I'll take that as my high. We'll go down here, and we're going to expand this, okay? So just going to make this a little bigger to the right side, and you can see we hit exactly that 618, right? That is, I mean, it's almost textbook, right? We came up all the way to the 618 with this pump, and then we found some resistance. And that's normal, guys, okay? I expect a retrace, and to go over the retrace, right, I'll just go on the 6 hour here. So we know now that we hit the 618 here, the golden pocket. So let's remove that. Now if we take Fibonacci from down here, right, and we just take a retrace, we're just gonna look at where should this land, right? I'm not sure if I should take it exactly from here or if I should take it from here. But it's somewhere in this, right? Because I mean, if we look at it this way, 1, 2, then this is a bigger 3, right? But what I think is going on here, guys, is so we'll go over the bigger picture first, right? We'll go over the bigger picture. I do think we're bullish now, guys. I'm definitely bullish. Like there's no reason how I cannot be bullish right now, right? Oh, I still have this on. 2. We'll have some 3 somewhere, right? I don't know where the 3 will be. 4 and 5. Okay, so I don't know exactly where the 3 will be. But we can take a look, right? And just kind of see where could the 3 be, right? So we're going to use a trend-based whip extension tool. Take it from this bottom here to this top, back to this bottom here, so around here, right? It's pretty roughly drawn, but that's fine. So then if we look, 1.618 is already hit. So is the 3 in? Maybe, right? But it could still go a little bit higher as well. So let's put it around here, right? So that is a decent level, I think. Because if we look at this as a 1 here, so I'm gonna make this 1 degree higher, guys. 1 degree higher on the minuet scale. And we'll make this this one blue. Make this one blue. Oh, not green, blue. And because we're gonna look at is this 3 done, right? Is this 3 already done or not? Well, I don't think so, guys. You know, I don't think so. Because if we take this one, right, if this is our 1 here, this is our 2, this is our 3, we should get a 4 somewhere, and we should get a 5, right? So, and now I'll make this one yellow, and we put a degree lower, right? There you go, right? So I'm gonna turn these lines off, these waves. So there you go, right? I'm not sure exactly where it will go. This basically this 4. But if you see it this way, then you gotta take your Fibonacci from down here, right? So somewhere around down here, where I had it before. So and then up there, and then what you're aiming for is at least a 38.2, so around 4,700. But most likely, what's a really good buying area, I'd say, is somewhere around here, right? I think this is a really good buying spot to go long on Bitcoin. You know, I definitely took my profits at the 618. I always do. I mean, that's just too big of a you know, a hurdle to go through in one go. So I always take my profit and at least expect some kind of pullback, right? If we don't get the pullback, I can always buy back in. But that's kind of how I see it right now. So it should come down somewhere around there, right? Oh, yeah, somewhere around here, guys. 0.5 at least. That's pretty normal for the market to do. Maybe even all the way down to the golden pocket here, which would make it exactly like how Elliott should be, right? Hitting that one before it goes up to the next one. But it doesn't necessarily need to do that. I'm very well aware. But we should see a 4, then a 5, right? And then we should, basically, that is then our bigger 3. And then we should still see a 4 come out of that. So we're all assuming that it just goes up here, right? And not higher. Around 6,000, probably get rejected at 6,000, you know. So then what you have to do is you got to take another Fibonacci level, right? Basically from this bigger wave, from this to the blue one, and you got to take it all the way up to where it's going to go, right? And then you look for your 4. Well, if we say our previous 4 is going to land here, I'd say the bigger 4 will land around here, right? The same place. And then you got to look for your 5, right? And I mean, your 5 is literally, I mean, if it goes up here, so somewhere in between the 236 or 382, so somewhere around 7,000, I'd say the 5 should land, probably like right before 7K then, right? And that's the bigger picture I have for Bitcoin right now. I know it's all very bullish, and you might think like, why is this not just a simple ABC? And that is a possibility, guys, okay? I'm very well aware that this is also a possibility. It can just simply be an ABC, and then we go further down. But we'll be selling here anyhow once we buy back in, because you will get a retracement, you know? So that's the way I'm going to play it, guys. That's the way I'm going to play Bitcoin. But I'll probably play other coins, but of course we look at Bitcoin, right? So yeah, that's what's going on with Bitcoin right now. That's how I see the market, okay? So I completely started with a very clean chart, and now we have all kinds of Fibonacci and Elliott Wave on here. But that's this is how I see the market, guys, on a very simple way to say it, right? So what do I see in the immediate short term? So, you know, we can take care of these fibs for now. The immediate short term here, right? So if this is the 1, 2, this is the 3, I see a 4 coming down around here, okay? So your best buy is around 45, 4600 or so. 45, I mean all the way to 43 really. It cannot go below the 6.5, that'd be bearish. That would also go into the 1 here. That's not something you want to see. But other than that, you know, it's looking pretty good. So on the 6 hour right now, you can see this candle did get rejected here. I do expect just for it to, you know, calm down and retrace either. So we're either going to see a retracement back down or a big consolidation before the next leg up. That is how I see it. Okay. Also, guys, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any question, ask other people questions, and it's just a great chat box to be in, right? Let's see what's going on here. XRP alert, XRP alert. Yeah, XRP pumped nicely, but that was let's see, head of the trend line. I cannot see much here, but yeah. No one is talking about the star on the daily Bitcoin USD. About the star, I don't know what you mean, but that's fine. You know, you need to be more specific if you say about the star. I don't know well, what you mean there at all. But anyways, guys, yeah, join up with that. Also join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs, STOs, and IEOs. You know, when they pop up, so you guys can take advantage of them. At the moment, I wouldn't invest in any of them except for IEOs, because they seem profitable. So that is that, guys. Also, you know, I always post here when I go live on the platform D Live, you know, whether I stream a game or cryptocurrency, you can see it. So yeah, you can always come in and just ask away, whether it's about crypto or about the game. Feel free to hop on in, right? So yeah, guys, join up with that. Also, follow me on Twitter, which is twitter.com/Pygoz, and also, of course, follow me over on DLive, which is dlive.tv/Pygoz. Both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.